Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 16-foot Super Sport. This is a new model for this year. We have equipped this boat with a couple options. We have the white ski tow. We have the bimini top added. This boat does have the upgraded fuel tank. It does have the cooler. New for this year, you can see the extension on the back with a boarding ladder. This is on a galvanized trailer with a swing away tongue, so it fits in your garage. We also brought this boat in with the split bow rail for boarding. And it has a two-tone hull with the light blue in the back and chrome graphics. This also has the Mercury 4-stroke 90 horsepower motor. Options like the bucket seats or forward cushions can be added at any time. If you're interested, give us a call or come take a look. Thank you.